Alright, this is round 3 of my Airsoft pistol battle thing. With my friend, he's being no such.
I'm looking up grenades. Shut up.
Wow, that's it. Wow, okay. But yeah, I'm up to nothing right now. And yeah. In case you were wondering, he's just searching up Airsoft grenades, not actual grenades, so yeah. Alright, go! No, he didn't get me there. Ah, damn. He barely hit my leg, but he hit my leg. And then I hurt myself, but it's fine.
Grow up.
Alright, so he wins, so it's 2. I got 2, he got 1. Alright, now on to the next round. Subscribe for more Airsoft content.
Or don't.
Yeah.